Namaskar and welcome to everybody in my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about mutation. Mutation is the sudden change in genetic materials. This genetic materials means what? Actually we can get these genetic materials in our cell. In the cell there is the nucleus. It is the nucleus in this cell. Here is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus there we can get the different type of chromosome. There different chromosomes. So many chromosomes are here. Look, this is the picture of chromosome, and inside the chromosome there is the histone given, gene is, and DNA. This basically these are the what genetic materials, and inside the DNA there we can get the nucleotides. Here is written adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. These are the what nucleotides, or we can say nitrogen base. Yes, these all are carry the genetic materials. Yeah, when there is a change, little bit change or sudden change in these genetic materials, then mutation occur. If there is a little bit change in genetic materials, so then mutation occur. If mutation occur, then there is a change in physical appearance, or there may be the change in internal change inside the body of any living beings. Yes, either in human being also or animals. If there is mutation occur, then there is a change either in physically also or either internally also. There is some changes. There is some changes. Okay, then what happened? If there is actually there is two type of mutation basically. One is we can say gene mutation, and next one is we can say chromosome mutation. One is what? This one is the this figure is of gene mutation. This is the gene mutation, and this one figure is known as chromosomal mutation. There is a two type of mutations. If in gene mutation is also known as point mutations, this gene mutation is also known as which mutation? Point mutation. What happened? If there is sudden change in the nucleotides, look there. Actually, you can see in green color in green nucleotides there is a purple nucleotides arranged. In place of purple, if there is a red, look here in this place, in place of green nucleotide there is purple nucleotide is arranged. So there is a little bit change. Here is also correct. This portion is also correct. With yellow there is red, with green there is purple. Here is also with yellow, here is red. Here this in this DNA, these all are the correct in original DNA. This correct copy. But here what happens? Here is little bit change in one point. It is known as mutant copy. In place of purple, if here is red nucleotide is came. So it means this is the gene mutations. And here in second number, this is the what? Chromosome. This both are the chromosomes. In both are the chromosome. In chromosome, what happens? Here look here. This much portion is shifted to here in this chromosome. Here you can look, and little bit this much portion is shifted to this much portion. I am going to show you. This much portion is shifted to where? Here, and this much portion is shifted to where? Here. So this is the change in the chromosome only. Here is a change in the gene, some point of gene, or some in nucleotide, one or two nucleotide is changed. But here what actually not nucleotide, it is just chromosome is changed. Here is some portion of chromosome is changed, so it is known as chromosomal mutations. Yes, what if their mutation occurred? Then what happens? Some changes we can get in human being, like some hormonal changes. If there is hormonal changes, then we can get like this type. This is the girl having the beard and mustache. So this is what hormonal change. How the hormonal change occur? So much because of the mutations. Because of the mutation. And next one, some example like this way. This is also this type of human being. Yes, if there is the mutation occur in the any human being, yeah, they may appear. Such human being may appear like this way. Yeah, some like having 6 finger. This is also one example of mutation. Yeah, 6 finger. This is also one example of mutations. Yeah, these are the some changes we can get physical. These all are the physically mutations. These are the physically changes. Some are internal changes also inside our body. There may change some things. Yeah, some may changes in our inside our body. So actually, mutation is the sudden change in genetical materials. It is very rare. These mutations occur very rarely. I think 99.9% there is no mutation. Only 0.1% is that there is chance of mutations. There are so many factors of mutations. One is physical factor also. Due to the physical factors, mutation occur. Maybe environmental factors. Due to the environmental factor also. Environmental factors. There are so many factors which occur. Sometimes due to the this chemical factors. Due to the chemical factor also, some this mutation can occur. So there are so many factors which occurs the mutations. So today this much only. Okay, thank you.